What's up everyone, and welcome back to CodeMechanic. Today, we're diving deep into a project that's been an absolute beast to build, and I can't wait to show you the results. We're talking about this second-generation Toyota Sequoia and how we transformed it into the ultimate heavy-duty overlanding rig. Now, you might be thinking, a Sequoia? Aren't those just for hauling the family around? And you're not wrong. In its stock form, it's a fantastic, reliable family SUV. But underneath that civilized exterior lies a tundra-based frame, a powerful 5.7 LV8 engine, and a ton of potential just waiting to be unlocked. Our goal was to take that solid foundation and build a rig that can handle serious weight, tackle tough trails, and still be comfortable for those long-haul trips. The first and most critical upgrade was the suspension. The stock setup is way too soft for the kind of gear we're planning to carry. We went with a complete heavy-duty suspension system. In the front, we installed heavy-duty coilovers designed to handle the extra weight of a steel bumper and a winch. The difference in spring rate is massive. In the rear, we did something really special. Instead of just adding stiffer springs, we opted for a full custom leaf spring conversion. This completely changes the game, giving us a huge increase in payload capacity and durability. It's an involved process, but for true heavy hauling, it's the only way to go. We paired this with high-performance shocks on all four corners to control the ride and handle whatever the trail throws at us. With the suspension sorted, it was time for protection and utility. Up front, we mounted a full-width steel bumper. This thing is built to take a hit. And it provides a solid mounting point for our 12,000-pound winch, an essential piece of recovery gear. We also added a full set of skid plates underneath, protecting everything from the engine and transmission to the fuel tank. Loads out. Back, we installed a high-clearance rear bumper with dual swing-outs. One side holds our full-size 35-inch spare tire, getting it off the undercarriage, and the other has a custom box for our recovery gear and fuel cans. Of course, you can't have a proper build without the right wheels and tires. We upgraded to a set of heavy-duty aftermarket wheels with a more aggressive offset to give us a wider, more stable stance. We wrapped them in 35-inch all-terrain tires. These give us a significant boost in ground clearance and traction. But they also meant we had to do some fender trimming and a body mount chop to prevent any rubbing, especially when the suspension is fully articulating. To make this a true overland vehicle, we needed to address power and lighting. We added a dual battery system to run our accessories without draining the main starting battery. This powers our fridge, campsite lighting, and communication gear. Speaking of lighting, we installed an LED light bar on the roof rack for incredible nighttime visibility on the trail, along with ditch lights on the pillars to illuminate the sides of the path. So, how does it all come together? It's a completely different machine. The ride is firm and controlled, even when fully loaded. It feels planted, confident, and absolutely unstoppable. We've taken a comfortable family SUV and turned it into a heavy-duty workhorse that's ready for any adventure you can dream of. This build proves that with the right parts and a clear vision, the Toyota Sequoia can be one of the most capable and reliable overland platforms out there. Thanks so much for watching our Sequoia build breakdown. What do you think of the transformation? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more builds like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next one.